Hey folks, we're looking at a 2010 Toyota Highlander today, and we have a problem with the lift glass. All right, we press the button, release the latch, and when we raise the lift glass, what happens is it just falls. So what's happening is that these struts have worn out and are no longer doing the job of keeping the lift glass open. So we're going to replace those, and we only need two things. We need a flathead screwdriver with a small tip, and we need less than 20 bucks to buy a set of new struts, and I'll link these to the description so you guys can purchase these with one click. All right, let's get into it. So the first step is to prop open the lift glass, and I've accomplished this with just a snow shovel. All right, you can use whatever you have lying around. It's winter time, so that's what I had. And then we're gonna take a close look here at the way that these struts are connected to the vehicle. There's a ball joint right here, and what's keeping that joint in place is a clip here. So I'm taking my small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and I'm working it under this clip. All right, you can see it starting to move. All right. And that's it. It's off. Now, this can be disconnected, and there's the ball joint underneath it, right? So we can see how those two things come together. We're gonna do the same thing up here on the top. It's connected in the same way. Okay, so we're holding the new strut now, and I wanna show you a close-up of the end. There's that clip that we removed from the old strut, which is included in the new strut as well. If I flip this around, you can kind of get a good look at the inside of the socket. There are two ends to that clip, and they protrude into the socket. So when we press this over the ball joint, these clips sort of separate a little bit to allow the ball to pass through it, and then they spring back into place, which holds the connection. So if I go over here to the left strut, you can see I've already installed the top part here, okay? And the bottom just pivots, right? I haven't connected the bottom yet, right? But I want to show you how this presses into place. So bear with me while I try to do this with only one hand. I'm going to line up the connection here, right? And then really all it is taking a little bit of pressure and you'll hear it pop like that. So this left strut is now fully installed. There's nothing left to do. That's it. That clip is holding it in place. Make sense? All right, last step now with both struts installed left and right. Okay, we're gonna remove the snow shovel. And first of all, you'll see that it's staying vertical. But let's test this now. Close it, right? Hit the button, give it a little lift, and you can hear it opening on its own with the assist of the hydraulics. And that's how you do it. This fix will work for a 2008 through 2012 Highlander. As I said earlier, the link for the product is below in the description. And thanks for watching. Hope this helps.